This is Cristian from Italy. Verba manet is my final project's name for CS50. It's a web application for performing speech recognition, allowing a user to register and log in, inserting audio file and transcriptions into a SQLite database and selecting it on an HTML table. It's based on speech recognition library for Python and Google Engine. Nowadays it's available for Italian language speakers. So, logging a user will visualize only its memories. Select a new table, a new page to register a new audio file. Start recording, clicking this button. L'interesse per Python continua a crescere, le sue applicazioni si diffondono in ambiti sempre nuovi. Punto. After a few seconds, you will get back a text to check its correctness. So upload to insert a SQLite database a new record made of datetime, transcription, and audio file. This page redirects to a homepage to visualize a summary table ordered by date where you can read your memo and listen to your audio. L'interesse per Python continua a crescere, le sue applicazioni si diffondono in ambiti sempre. Bye bye.